Guys, now it's evening time and little bit winter, cold is coming, you can say. So maybe now it's time for the cold and have to be taken dress. So guys, please share your views that did you enjoy this beautiful place with me? If you wanted to visit with me, if you really wanted to explore, please come to the West Bengal and North Bengal. And this place name is Lanka Bari, mean Morich Bari. বাংলা যাকে বলে लंकार बासा and हिंदी में बोलता है you know मरीच का घर chili house. Okay, you can say that this place name is chili house. So Lanka Bari means chili, Bari means house. So come here, enjoy this Marich Bari.